Yo guys, it's V-Weeks 181. Here with Steven. Say hi, Steven.
Hello.
Yo, we're going down to the creek. Haven't been down there like, what, 2 years?
I've never been one.
Steven's never been. So, this is my gift to him. Wait, I need shoes.
Oh yeah.
Oops. I'm gonna go put on some shoes, hold on. Alright guys, we are back. I am back at the creek. Steven, welcome to the creek. You guys remember this spot? The best. When I first started up my channel, now I'm back. So we're probably gonna head upstream. Yeah, to the first oasis, as we call it. Ooh, nice and chilly. Nice and chilly, nice and chilly, nice and chilly.
Chilly.
Yeah. Alright.
Sure is.
Alright. Alright guys. First creek fish this year. Woo! It's a nice little green sunfish. It's a little guy, but it's a nice one. This is what we expect to catch him bigger, Steven. Look, it's almost as big as Steven. Woo! Alright, we'll get this guy off the hook and move up a little bit. Decent variety of fish in here too. Alright guys, just caught me a nice red breast sunfish. Woo! Not too long, maybe like 2-3 minutes after. These flies are like, just won't leave us alone. Yeah, but that's a nice size one. These
Something just hit me.
about hand size. But yeah, gives Steve. Oh, he got one chasing it. Oh, that's so funny. Alright guys, just caught this little guy. We're at spot number 1. Infamous, where we catch all the good fish going upstream. Yep, nice little guy. Cool. Alright guys, not like maybe 30 seconds after I threw it right back over there, caught myself another. Nice size. Yep. Right over here. Alright, Steven just cast it out. Let's see if he catches something.
Oh, getting bites.
Yep, they'll hit it. They are good about that. So you give it another go.
Yeah, it's just the little ones following it now.
Yeah. You got to get out there like right on the drop. That's when the big ones come and get it. And just watch that line. Feel it. Ah.
Yeah, they hitting it.
Yep. Oh.
Yeah, stuck on
stuck on a rock. Yeah. Hate getting stuck on rocks. Alright. Let's try one more time.
One more time.
One more time. Okay. Got him. Oh man.
Big too.
Oh yeah, there are big ones in here, Steven.
Like he was about 4.
Do not be fooled.
Like 4 or 5 inches. Like, hold up. Let me wait till this one passes.
Hold up. All right.
And I don't think the one's gonna pass.
It'll be all right.
Yeah, it'll be okay.
All right.
I just can't feel it going.
Yeah.
Maybe I should have put the smaller jig out on there.
Yeah, probably a smaller hook.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to get that.
Ooh.
It's too quick.
And remember, like, if you just watch it on the drop and the line just like jerks forward, then all you gotta do is reel it in. One more time.
They're probably gonna fly a little bit better. Well, at least they'll eat it. Yeah, they hit it. They're hitting it, but they're not eating it.
You wanna try my rod? Okay. Oh.
Rocks.
You might be able to get him. Alright guys, I just caught a nice little chub. Oh yeah. There's 2 of them. One's like twice the size of this. Steven's trying to catch it. He's huge. Yeah. Nice little chub. We'll get them back in because their skin dries out pretty fast. So yeah. All right. Oh yeah. Steven caught a nice red breast sunfish. Oh yeah, Steven. First creek fish, man.
If I can get the hook out.
Seems like I'm gonna get mine. I'm gonna get mine. It's nice guy.
He gonna go quick.
Yup. Cool. Want to head upstream now? Or
Yeah.
alright. Right against the rocks. Steven in action. Yeah, try it again. Try to get like right against where the rocks are. Because the fish that hang around there, they'll hit it like right in an instant. Yep. No. Holy smokes! Ah! It's a Siamese algae eater. Why is it in my creek? You don't belong here. Or is it? No, it's a newt. Holy smokes!
What?
It's a newt. Oh snap! Hold up. Maybe we can try to get it. It looks like a Eastern. Oh snap! You see him?
Yeah.
Oh, he's swimming. Stop swimming.
Let me get the camera.
All right, here.
You can't really see him from this angle.
Yeah. But if I can get him out, man.
Pull up quick.
Awesome. Oh, guys, it's a newt. It's so freaking cool. All right, we'll get him back. Hey!
Oh, I guess he'll go back on his own
Oh,
accord.
wow, so cool. First newt I've ever seen in the creek, man. That was cool. I was like, wait, that looks like an algae eater. And he had some back legs. I was like, that ain't right. All right, cool. Having fun, Steven?
Yep.
Yeah. Alright guys, we walked upstream, past the little waterfall and piping, caught a nice little chub. Steven's trying over here too. We'll get this guy back in the water. Alright guys, just caught another little green sunfish. Oh, no, not green sunfish. It's like a bluegill, kinda.
Yeah,
it's a hybrid.
Yeah, because
So yeah. Yeah, cool. We'll get him back in there. Alright, we came up to this nice little pool right here. Oh, imagine what the other side of this is like.
Before the pool.
Right. Alright. Okay, that's a nice little guy. Oh, he's pooping.
Yay!
Alright. Cool.
Yay, and my power brake's not completely shredded.
Get him back in.